see? This body has like 200 and, what you see that? 290 something thousand miles. So it was definitely time. Now I got a replacement from ordered the replacement from Toyota of, where can I put this and it not heat up? Toyota Colorado Springs. I actually got it yesterday, but I was at the gym. Just didn't have time to do it. Now when I got home, I thought I had something from Amazon, but it's Toyota. Which kind of threw me off. And it's OEM. So, yeah, Colorado Springs, Toyota. This little thing cost me, this was the cheapest one I found. It was, I paid like $120. So, I had to go by this place real quick, closest one to me, and get some of these, worm clamps, because these are a pain in the still got to get some worm clamps though for this one and that one up under there, but other than that, we Gucci though. We good.